Are you feeling overwhelmed by someone in your life? Discover a powerful spell to remove negativity and reclaim your peace. Start by writing their full name and birth date on paper, marking it with 3x. Use a black peppercorn to seal your intent, ensuring they stay away. Declare your will to protect yourself from their influence. Place the paper in a container, adding pepper to intensify the spell. Add sharp objects and vinegar, then freeze to solidify your intent. Experience the freedom as they leave you alone. Try it and see the results. For more guidance, contact Aghori Dinesh Babaji. Mobile number is 9530646053. Visit our website for more assistance. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.